Number 4. Bugatti Motorhome. At number 4, we have the Bugatti Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends the speed and elegance of a hypercar with the comfort of a luxury suite on wheels. Just one glance at the exterior is enough to leave you speechless. The sleek body lines, the iconic Bugatti grille, and the futuristic LED lighting make this motorhome look like it belongs more on a racetrack than on a highway. Its carbon fiber panels and aerodynamic design aren't just for show. They enhance performance and efficiency, even in a vehicle of this size. Step inside and the true magic begins. The interior feels like a 5-star hotel suite. Luxurious leather seats, hand-stitched finishes, carbon fiber details, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure class. There's a spacious lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a private bedroom, and even a marble-accented bathroom. Everything is designed for maximum comfort with smart technology and high-end entertainment systems at your fingertips. Performance is where Bugatti makes its presence felt. The motorhome is powered by a finely tuned engine inspired by Bugatti's engineering excellence, offering smooth cruising and thrilling acceleration when needed. Advanced suspension and steering give it surprising agility, making it more than just a luxury ride. It's a performance powerhouse. Of course, such exclusivity comes with a price. The Bugatti Motorhome costs several $1 million, making it one of the most elite vehicles in the world. This isn't just transportation, it's a rolling statement of wealth and style.
Number 3. The GMC Motorhome. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary GMC Motorhome, a true icon that has stood the test of time. The exterior is instantly recognizable, with its low-profile, aerodynamic silhouette that still looks futuristic decades after its first release. Wide panoramic windows, smooth fiberglass bodywork, and custom finishes give it a commanding presence on the road. Modern upgrades like LED lights and stylish wheels make it look even more impressive. Inside, the GMC Motorhome is all about smart use of space and comfort. The lounge seating can easily transform into sleeping areas, the kitchen is compact but fully functional, and the bathroom includes everything you need for long journeys. Premium wood, leather, and fabric finishes bring warmth and elegance. With large windows filling the cabin with natural light, every trip feels open and connected to the outside world. Modern versions also include Wi-Fi, entertainment systems, and smart controls. Performance has always been the GMC Motorhome's strong point. Built on a low chassis with front-wheel drive, it delivers smooth handling and excellent stability. The V8 engine provides reliable power, while upgrades like modern suspension and braking systems make it a pleasure to drive. It's equally at home on highways or scenic backroads. When it comes to price, a fully restored or modernized GMC Motorhome can range from $200,000 to $500,000. It's a piece of American RV history that still delivers comfort, performance, and style. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz Vario Signature. At number 2, we have the Mercedes-Benz Vario Signature, one of the most prestigious motorhomes in the world. Its exterior design reflects both elegance and strength. Built on the Mercedes heavy-duty platform, it features smooth bodywork, flawless paint finishes, and the iconic Mercedes badge front and center. With slide-out sections that expand the living area when parked, the Vario Signature looks every bit as grand as a luxury villa on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure sophistication. The interior feels like a private jet, with designer lounges, a gourmet kitchen, a master bedroom, and a spa-like bathroom. Every detail can be customized, from the type of leather and wood to the entertainment systems and lighting. Heated floors, panoramic windows, and ambient light create a warm, relaxing atmosphere. Performance is exactly what you'd expect from Mercedes. A powerful diesel engine delivers strong torque for long journeys, while advanced driving assistance systems keep everything smooth and safe. Adaptive suspension and lane assist make driving effortless, even in a motorhome of this size. Safety features like emergency braking and adaptive cruise control are standard, giving peace of mind on every trip. The price reflects its luxury. Starting at over $1 million, the Mercedes-Benz Vario Signature is made for elite travelers who demand both comfort and engineering excellence. It's more than just a motorhome. It's the ultimate Mercedes lifestyle on the road.
Number 1. Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo. And finally, at number 1, we have the Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo, the world's most luxurious motorhome. One look at the exterior and you'll know this is unlike anything else. Its futuristic design, spaceship-style cockpit, and unique circular windshield make it a true showstopper. Illuminated accents, bold curves, and even a retractable rooftop deck that transforms into a sky lounge make this vehicle the king of motorhomes. Inside, the eleMMent Palazzo is pure extravagance. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a high-end penthouse on wheels. There's a designer lounge with custom furniture, a state-of-the-art kitchen, a grand master bedroom, and a spa-inspired bathroom. Marble, leather, and exotic woods cover every surface. Entertainment is on another level, with smart home features and a private bar. The highlight is the rooftop sky lounge, offering breathtaking views and a one-of-a-kind travel experience. Performance is equally impressive. Built on a Volvo or Mercedes chassis, it comes with a powerful diesel engine capable of handling its massive size with ease. Air suspension ensures a smooth ride, while advanced driving assistance makes operating it far easier than you'd expect. Despite being a mansion on wheels, it drives with confidence and control. As for the price, the eleMMent Palazzo starts around $3 million and can go up to $5 million depending on customization. Designed for billionaires, celebrities, and royalty, it's not just a vehicle, it's the ultimate status symbol, combining innovation, luxury, and exclusivity.